welcome to Mind Vomit. Today, I'm just letting you know that I had lots of views on my tattoo pen video and some people asked if I make these for sale. So I decided to put together 4 kits and just with the supplies I could get. And this is what it is. It's basically a plug and play tattoo pen for drawing. And this would be the tattoo machine, and then I've included these ink cartridges that slide into the machine itself and hook up right here. And then I include rubber bands to put around the needle to reduce vibration and kind of hold it on. But I've also included black ink with the attachment bar already in there, red ink, and then I've included spare pens for each one if you want to put yours together yourself. There's red, black, and blue. There's a foot pedal switch to turn the power supply on and off. There's a power cord which plugs into the power supply. There's the power supply here, which has your power in, your switch to turn on, your foot pedal switch, and this is the power out to the tattoo machine. I've included a bag of 3D printed sleeves, which I should probably pull out of the bag so you can actually see them here. These 3D printed sleeves go over the actual ink cartridge. Like you can see on this here, there's a red sleeve for the red ink, and there's a black one for the black ink. But I've 3D printed a red, black, and blue sleeve, and I've also included 2 extra little attachment bars that are pre-bent, have the bushing in it for if you want to add your own ink cartridge of a different color, or you just want to build these other pens quickly. The power supply comes with a power cord, and some of the power supplies are not all the same. I could get what I could get, so they vary, and so do the actual cords that go up to the tattoo gun. I've listed them on my Etsy channel, and they come in various colors. Again, I just got whatever colors I could get and kind of pieced them together. So if you are looking for a tattoo pen and you want to try it out and do artwork with that, I have them on my Etsy store, and you can check the link in the description below. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.